Hi everyone, myself Siddhant Ajit Singh Chauhan and I am from Solapur, currently residing at Pune. So I have joined QSpiders in June 2024 for Python full stack development course. During my placement journey, I have learned various concepts in the Python full stack development course. What are the important topics that we require to become a Python full stack developer? Various concepts during this, and each and every faculty present at the QSpider guided me very much. They cleared the concepts deeply. If our concept is not clear, as many times as they will teach us. Means it's not like that I will teach only one time or two time. And when we say that our concept is clear, that much time they will teach us. So the environment, talking about the environment here, they keep a very friendly and very cooperative environment. So that's all about my experience. I got placed as a graduate trainee and the package is 12 LPA.